Believe me, this question is very simple. Our target in this question is to find the area of the shaded portion in the figure below. This is a very interesting question. Please watch this video to the end. You will enjoy it and it is very educative as well. If you look at this figure, you will find out that some parts of it are shaded, and that is the area we are looking for, while some other parts are not shaded. Now, there are various shapes on this figure. We have a circle and we have semicircles of different sizes. Let us identify the various shapes with letters of the alphabet. We have A to represent this big semicircle, B to represent this circle of diameter 5 centimeter, C, D, E are semicircles, small semicircles, each of diameter 3 centimeter. Now, we know that this figure is comprised of just two shapes, a circle and several different sizes of semicircles. So if we know the area of a circle and the area of a semicircle, we can apply it and find whatever it is we're looking for. So let's identify first the area of a circle. What is the formula for the area of a circle? The area of a circle is given as pi r squared. Remember, this figure is given in diameters, and the radius of a circle is half of a diameter. So in terms of the diameter, the area of a circle is also given as pi d squared over 4, where d represents the diameter of a circle. Now, we have a semicircle. The area of a semicircle is simply half of the area of a circle, which means the area of a semicircle, we mean we are going to be dividing pi r squared by 2. So pi r squared divided by 2 is the same thing as pi d squared divided by 8. 2 times 4 gives us 8. So the area of a circle is pi d squared over 4 in terms of diameter. The area of a circle is pi d squared over 8 in terms of diameter. Now we know the formula, we can now dive right into the problem. Join me, let's continue. Be patient, we are going to get there. The area of this shaded portion is simply going to be the area of the entire shape minus the area of the unshaded portion. If we take out the area of the unshaded portion, which is B, C, and E, away from the area of the whole shape, the area of the whole shape now is A and D. If we take B, C, E away from the area of A and D, we would have obtained the area of the shaded portion. So in terms of the formula, the area of the shaded portion we are looking for is equal to area of A. Remember, A is the big semicircle, plus area of D, this small semicircle. That would have given us the area of the entire shape, right? Now, well, let's subtract the area of the unshaded portion. The unshaded portions are B, C, and E. So this gives us the basis for which we are calculating the area of the shaded portion. Remember, each of the shapes are either a circle or a semicircle. We know the formulas of a circle and a semicircle already. We'll just plug it into any of these. The one that gives us a circle, we put a circle there. The one that gives us a semicircle, we put in a semicircle. If that is the case, then the area of A, remember A is this big semicircle. So we put in the formula of a semicircle, pi d squared over 8. Pi d squared over 8. A here is only telling us that this is for the shape A. D is a semicircle, so we have pi d squared over 8 for area of D, minus B is a circle. B is a circle, so we have pi d squared over 4 for area of circle B. So we are looking at this formula for B because it's a circle, plus pi d squared over 8 for area of semicircle C, plus pi d squared over 8 for area of semicircle E. Now we have a formula. Let us look at the formula and you will realize that there is something common to each of the term, and that is pi over 8. So we can factor out pi over 8 and also open up this bracket. If we open up this bracket, this negative sign will change everything within the bracket to negative, and we factor out pi over 8. That reduces the formula to area equals pi over 8. We factored it out. If we take out pi over 8, what will be left here is dA squared, plus what will be left here is d squared, minus what will be left here is 2dB squared. Why 2? Because the denominator here is 4. So we need to multiply this by 2 so that when this 2 divides 8, we get back our 4. Minus, remember this negative is opening up the bracket, so we have negative here. What is left is dc squared minus what is left is dE squared. Now, this is the formula we'll be working with, and that gives us the area of the shaded portion. What we just need to do now is to plug in our figures. For A, the diameter is 9. A, remember A is the big semicircle. The diameter is 3 plus 3 plus 3. So we have 9 squared plus D has a semicircle of 3, or has a diameter of 3, so we have 3 squared minus 2 times 5 squared, because the diameter of this circle is 5, minus 3 squared, the diameter of shape C is 3, minus 3 squared, the diameter of shape E is equally 3. Now, let us put the values. Let's go to the next page. So, this is what we have previously. 9 squared is 81 plus 3 squared is 9 minus 5 squared is 25. 25 times 2 is 50 minus 3 squared is 9 minus 3 squared is 9. 81 plus 9 gives us 90. 90 minus 50 gives us 40. 40 minus 9 gives us 31. 31 minus 9 gives us 22. So we have area equals pi over 8 times 22. 22 divided by 8 gives us 2.75. In terms of pi, the area of the shaded portion will be equal to 2.75 pi centimeter squared. So this is the area of the shape we are looking for. You can see that it's very simple. You can see that it's very interesting. We've got our answer in terms of pi. If you want, you can multiply 2.75 by 3.142, which is the value of pi. Or you can do that by multiplying it with 22 over 7, which is the approximate value of pi, right? So I've left my own in terms of pi. You can decide to put the value of pi and multiply it by 2.75, and that is equally fine. So the area of the shaded portion is 2.75 pi centimeter squared, and that is what we've got. It is very simple. If you know you like this video, please share it. Give it a thumbs up. Comment. That way you keep encouraging us to make interesting and educative content for you. There is a question at the end of this video, and here it is. What is the area of the figure above? Please put your answer in the comment section, and I will be there waiting for you. Thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you in our next video.